Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and showcasing a new keyboard. What we have to review today is the Royal Kludge S98. Now this keyboard is one of the mechanical keyboards by Royal Kludge, also known as RK Gaming. They have a variety of different keyboards out there on the market for a very good budget price, and I've reviewed a couple of these in the past, showcase what they can do in comparison to other keyboards on the market, but we're going to jump right into this one. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what you get inside. Alright, got the tape removed from all four sides of the box. Let's open it up, set the lid aside, and show you how it's contained in here. Has a plastic sheet to protect all the keys and shipping. Very nice to have that. It is in the plastic wrap. Let's pull this guy out and see what is inside here. First off, it comes with a thick user manual. This is going to tell you how to operate it and all the different features in all different languages. I do like the colors of this one. Not a typical color scheme I would go with, but if you do like the white and pale blue, this would be an excellent keyboard to get. Does have a wireless dongle on the side here. It's a mini magnetic, so it snapped right into place. On the back we have a few different options here. We have a USB, micro USB, and the switches to indicate whether you want it on or off, and if you want it to be in wireless mode or wired mode. We got the props on the back to prop it up. And the weight of this thing is fairly heavy. This is one of those keyboards that are going to sit really nice on the desk and not have a whole lot of movement around, just because of the weight on them. Feels very, I'd say, kind of metallic in a way, at least the bottom plate does. The keys on top are very soft, and they visibly show everything how they should be. Everything is printed very well. Has an LCD screen up top there with a knob to adjust all the different menus and volumes, I'm sure. Let's set this aside and pull out the other contents. It does come with a USB-C wire. And as usual with the other mechanical keyboards I've reviewed, comes with the replacement modules and the tool to pull the keys off. Let's dim the lights here, get this thing plugged in, and we'll showcase the LEDs. Alright, so I have the keyboard actually powered on just wirelessly. Had some battery life on it, so I wanted to show you exactly how it lights up. All of the illumination is behind the keys. We don't have the characters on the keys actually light up or glow through, and that's okay. Some people like that feature, others don't. But as far as this goes, it's very, very bright. We have the LCD screen on the top, and that's going to give you time, date, let you adjust volume if you have it connected to your PC or a TV that has that capability. You're able to adjust the volume on the fly just by changing the knob there. With that knob, you can also change the different LED light up style. So you can go through here and make this so you can actually toggle certain keys to be a certain color, different visual effects, make it strobe, all that kind of stuff. So with these LED mechanical keyboards, there's a lot of customization you can do, and this is a full-size keyboard, guys. Like everything you see here, you got the number pad, you got all the basic keys. This is a big boy. So if you do need a full-size keyboard, LED, mechanical, and it's gonna be heavy duty, this is gonna be the one to get. I really like the look of this one, and yeah, just gotta make sure it fits your color scheme. There is other keyboards out there that have different colors, so if blue and white isn't your thing, I'm sure you'll find something that suits your needs. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you do want to pick up one of these keyboards for yourselves, take a look at the link in the description below. And if you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.